morning, guys. Good morning. So today is Saturday, the day after Valentine's Day, and I feel a little bit mashed up. Why? Reasoning. So we booked. Look at my hand dry. We booked the restaurant at Palma. So we made a reservation, thinking, oh yeah, we're gonna go and have like food, whatever. Reservation was at 11:45? Yeah, it was at 11:45. We went there and it was like a party. So we was like, wait, what? Like, what is going on here? Because people look like they were even leaving and people are coming to just party or whatever. Anyway, we got to find out that we weren't having like the main menu. We was having the what was it? It was like a cocktail menu. It was like a cocktail menu that we had like for finger foods and stuff like that. Honestly, the food, I'll give the food a 3 out of 10. It was that bad. Yeah, it was that bad. The drinks, 4. Vibe, 9 out of 10. It wasn't good. It just wasn't good. But nonetheless, I came.
How are you going from 9 to 5?
Well, me think it. Well, all right. Rich thinks that it was 5. I think it was 9 because they were playing songs that I know. Richard, you know him is like yardy man. Him not know music more than the boogie and the Bovardas and the Valiant and the them little bagga people. Me they on the bagga wave, but I have little. What I say, music culture about me. Richard on the other hand, him the on the other reggae spectrum. But yeah, gonna put my topical mask on because I feel like my eye bags are, they're bagging.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good, ain't home is sorry. They say conversation, rule a nation. I can tell, but I won't unless I write it down for real. P.S.
Guys, so we're here. We're going to the butcher's to get some stuff. So we finally found our local butcher. And yeah, considering it's like a French part of Canada, it was a little bit difficult for us to like find a butcher's, but like we have a friend here, big up Iffy. He basically like told us where it was, so now this is our second time going there. So yeah, but look at this monstrosity. Like, this is crazy. Really? After all of that, he said that you guys are only seeing like part of my face. Out here it's not so bad. It's not so cold. I need to zip my jacket up though, because it is getting a little bit, chilly in the willy. There's a little mini farmers market.
Taking notes on my keyboard, what you bothering me for? There's a room for what you following me for?
Guys, I must say, yeah, you see the Canadian, like McDonald's, Nyambad, KFC. Imagine me buy KFC and have to spit it out. It was diabolical. The KFC is horrible. The McDonald's is, ugh. Like, honestly, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, UK KFC and McDonald's beat them by far, like far. I don't know for Toronto though, but I know for Montreal it's dead. So maybe when we go to maybe when we visit, yeah, maybe when we visit, what the hell is that? Anyway, yeah, maybe when we visit Toronto, it may be different in terms of like what the KFC tastes like. We even went to Wendy's. Wendy's was all right. It was all right. Out of 10, I'll give it a solid 6. A solid 6, no higher. But the McDonald's, 2. KFC, 0. That's how out of 10 KFC gets a 0. It was nasty. Thank God the car can turn itself on. Oh, it's cold out here. My hand's just out for a few and it's freezing. It's so cold. How cold is it outside? Let me look at my watch. It's -7. Imagine. -7. It's cold. It's cold. The next stop is Costco. Look at my bloody double chin. Jesus God. When you're in your 30s, your face just all, the facial structure just iggy aga. This. Out here is cold. I'm cool. Fun fact, guys, my Costco card that I use in the UK works in Canada. But yeah, it's more or less the same. It just looks like Costco in off the A406 near Edmonton. It literally looks like that. Watch him. Where am I look by now?
Such a child. Copy.
Guys, I'm back. Imagine I came back in the house and I wanted to show you guys like what I got. I couldn't find my phone. Excuse the Niger, so I couldn't find my phone because yeah, I couldn't find my phone. And I was showing you guys the quick stir fry that I was making with the leftover rice. So I added some prawns and broccoli and some string bean. Razzle dazzle it up. And yeah, let me show you guys what's happening. So yeah, this is what's going on. The little stir fry rice. It's supposed to finish now, but yeah. I got to go on pound water. Because we're going to the gym and we didn't really eat properly, so this is what we're gonna eat, and then we'll come back in and we're gonna make some soup, some chicken foot soup. Everything I throw in the pot and boil. It's Sunday and Richard is taking me to the gym. I don't know if you guys can see behind me, but there is a snowstorm. Read my lips. Snowstorm. Yeah? And this man is trying to take me outside. in the snowstorm. Damn. What do I see? Tell me if this man is not trying to kill me. Tell me if he's not trying to kill me. Look there. Look at our balcony. A matter of fact, look up there. All of these white stuff here is snow at the top of the building. That's snow. All of that is snow. And look. A snowstorm. And he wants to take me outside to the gym. But guess what? I have the nice body for summer. So in winter, we're going to hibernate. Brother, the snow is whopping the building. Can you guys hear the whistling? Diabolical. Jesus. Look at outside. I have to zip my clothes up. Guys, there's a snowstorm. Oh, sorry. Okay. Fucking hell. This is... Ah! It's a blizzard! Oh my goodness! Guys! Firing is firing. Firing is firing. Ah! It's horrid. Absolutely horrible. I'm in the trenches. The weather is crazy.
fast and you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
look like Tyler Perry. But she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is front like Jackie Brown.
You can't just drop.
She too down. Will you be my leading lady?
Fucking British people.
I want a contract down on me.
I'll bring them anyway.
Yeah. So we're back inside now after I was in the trenches. I'm out the door and I feel like Snow White and the door off them up. And then what's that TikTok? And what? I don't know how to go. I'm gonna insert clip and show them. But anyway, yeah. So well deserved. Last night I made some soup, some chicken foot soup, and there's some leftovers. So guess what? We're gonna go down in it because guess what? It's warming up on the stove. So it's well deserved. I did my big one in the gym. Obviously the previous clips y'all saw this slim thick thing. I try get the body and the small waist. You can't see me. Yeah, as a slim thing, I want it gone. But yeah, so but the body down. Body is coming along. Right, that's so she as a slim girly. I don't think it's back on. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna eat my soup.
Was this on mine?
Get into it.
No, good.
Get into it. No, I don't. I don't watch stuff on your thing.
How do you? Yeah, I try style because you're the on camera.
I'm gonna cut this bit out.
No, I don't.
He was moaning about Crunchyroll accounts. I'm like, I don't watch anime, my sort of anime on yours. But anyway, the soup is still bussing, yeah. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna eat and then I'll be back. The alarm went off in the house and look what's happened. Not sure what's gone on. Me look beat down. But yeah, look at outside. I'm not sure what's gone on. Look how I'm going downstairs. A fast alarm. Trust something to happen when I'm in the house on my own and Richard's not here. Huh? Mr. Guys, one piece of pasta. Literally, guys.
Mr. Guy, one heap of pasta.
The alarm go off. Me never frightened say it. I'm turn idiot. Cause the light in here flash. Beema. You know what is it to me? Me just courage. I'm like, babe. The alarm is like, oh, there's smoke. I said, I'm not cooking anything. When we go downstairs, I had to take the stairs from the 20-something floor all the way down. What? Yeah, mad. But yeah, all is well. Obviously, you guys saw the clips before of all the fire engines. Come to think of it, so obviously they're all like speaking French, like and I go on with them good self. And the French people I watch, sorry. But yeah, they were all speaking French, and so I obviously asking English with my best British accent. I was like, what happened? What happened? Oh my goodness, I have to go downstairs. So I have to give my best British accent so they know me. I don't speak French, I don't have to translate. So apparently, the gist is that someone was messing about. The French guy was trying to explain to me. He was like, basically, it was false alarm. There was a guy that was doing something. He didn't really get into full details. He pulled an alarm or something, and the fire brigades came out. The fire engines and the firefighters, they all came out. Hello, them come in at 3.1 second apparently. And there was 4 of them down there. But give or take, the building is massive. So there had to be bare of them down there. Cause them come to do them job and plan of action. Listen, me have on right now. Me take off the bottom of my have on. Me only have on shirt and panty alone. Me turn idiot. I can laugh now, but yeah. Shirt and panty. Me turn idiot in the house. I run up and down to raw. Me take off the wig when I have on, the red wig. Me have to draw on my closure wig like a while. And said, Jaja, see me don't know what to do. Ah, jeez. That was funny, but at least my go downstairs and have a look of fresh air. When I see outside, it's a blizzard. You see how high the snow was? I'm going to insert a mini clip, probably right here, of the cars downstairs covered in snow. Like, it's literally up to the car window of how much snow is obviously outside. Like, it's crazy. But yeah, yeah, that was it. Today is what, Monday the 16th of, let me look at my watch. It's Monday the 17th. Yeah, Monday the 17th is 4:28. And yeah, so I've literally like straightened up the house. There's in the spare room, it's a tip, and Richard's been getting on to me because if nobody never know, my man is OCD. My man is so OCD, and in the room it's a whole clock. I need a makeup table, and I need one to sort of like get my stuff out of so literally just to pack things up properly, because I feel like there's nowhere to store my makeup and stuff like that, and things and my wigs, things is just all over the bed. Because when I'm looking for stuff, yeah, I'm kind of untidy in that way. But y'all still clean, but a little bit. I'm not untidy. I just take stuff out sometimes and forget to put it back. But yeah, I'm not cooking today because I cooked yesterday some roast potatoes, a whole chicken, and mac and cheese, and string bean and broccoli. Dinner was eating down. So we're having a little Sunday, Monday, and then tomorrow, I don't know what I'm going to make for dinner tomorrow, but yeah, that's what it is. I don't know, because I don't want my vlogs to be too long. Because I need you guys to be liking. And can I tell people, can you like and comment in my comment section about the video? Like, talk about a part of the video that, you know, resonate with you, even though building a bundle not gonna resonate with you, but, you know, or emergency ain't gonna thing. But lad, my feels fatty. Just some. But anyway, yeah, comment on the video and like and share with your friends. Like, we trying to grow here, you know? We're trying to grow the channel. I'm just on camera talking, but nonetheless, so I'm just over here chilling and making content and showing you guys what I'm up to in Canada. Yeah? So when we come back to the UK, more and be you know, YouTubey girly. And yeah, that's the vibe. What was I gonna say? That's it, to be honest. I don't want the video to be too long for me to like have long ass videos, but nonetheless, guys, big up on yourself and go on skate on a total. I'm out. I know I closed out the vlog. It started again. Look. You know something? I go downstairs. I not go downstairs. I not go downstairs. This is ridiculous at this point. I'm not going down there. May I tidy up? I not have no time. May I clean up? I not have no time. And I'm even playing my video in the background because I need to get the views. Okay? So, subscribe, like, leave a comment. Yeah, again, I'm out.
Just some me time. By the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shut down my mouth 'cause I knew you off the shelf.